My burps suck. Just woke up and I can't do anything. Why, hello there.
Oh, look what I found.
Yeah, he found a dump truck.
Driving the rest of the way in that truck.
Like, I can't even do it. If I had a soda, I'd be like, "Bleh." But I can't do anything. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Check out my other videos, too, to get them to 500 views. Look at my mom. She's all mad at Wilson. I'm mad at Wilson. See, there's our car over there. Our car with the one with the funky thing on top. My dad's loading up. Come on. Say hi, guys. Oh, yeah. Did you hear that?
Did they put this?
Mimi, say hi.
I have no idea.
Say hi, Mimi. Oh,
Oh, I know. It's that game that he put in at the last minute.
okay, well, that's about it.